Introducing the Intruder Proof Cabinet, the next step in secure cabinet technology. The cabinet utilizes both a locking mechanism and a deterrence in the form of a spray bottle to keep your possessions safe. Up to 2 codes can be saved to the cabinet's keypad. A correct code is assigned to one of the top 2 drawers. Entering the correct code will release the solenoid locks in the back of the drawer, allowing the drawer to be opened. The code can then be re-entered to close the drawer. See for yourself. The locks aren't the only thing protecting your possessions, though. Entering an incorrect code will automatically open the bottom drawer. Doing so will activate the spray bottle, soaking whoever is trying to steal your possessions.